Welcome to our English lesson. Good afternoon, my dear students. How are you? Are you fine? Okay. What date is it today? What season is it now? What is the weather like today? Very good. Your English teacher, Kожоакмат кызы Назира. Let's begin singing a song.
Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you?
Look at the pictures and repeat after me the new words. Listen to me, please. Make the bed. Make the bed. Mop the floor. Mop the floor. Water the plants. Water the plants. Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. Iron the clothes. Iron the clothes. Take out the rubbish. Take out the rubbish. Washing the dishes. Washing the dishes. Do the washing up. Do the washing up. Okay, students. You see our new theme is household chores. Балдар, бүгүнкү биздин жаңы темабыз үй жумуштары жөнүндө болмокчу. Objectives of the lesson. Students will be able to learn new words about household chores and describe pictures using new words. Pay attention to the video and repeat after him.
How do you help at home? I wash the dishes. Do you sweep the floor? Yes, I do. I sweep the floor. Broom. I scrub the floor. Brush. I mop the floor. A bucket of water. Mop. I wash the dishes. Dishes. I dispose of rubbish. Rubbish bin. I iron the clothes. Iron. I do the laundry. Washing powder. Do you usually help at home? Yes, I do. How do you help at home? I usually sweep the floor and wash the dishes. What do you sweep the floor with? I sweep the floor with a broom. I sweep the floor with a broom. What do you sweep the floor with? I sweep the floor with a broom.
You must learn this vocabulary. Жаңы сөздөрдү жаттайбыз балдар. Okay, students. Now open your books at page 233. You must do exercise 1A. Match the words with the pictures. Biz жаңы сөздөрдүн баарын таанып билдик. Эми сүрөттөрдү дал келген сөздөр менен кураштырабыз. For example, picture 1. What is a plant? Have you finished, students? Good of you. Now exercise 3B. Read the text again and complete the gaps with the words in the box. Тексти кайрадан окуп чыгабыз. Рамкадагы сөздөрдү колдонуп, боштуктардын ордун толтурабыз. For example, today is Sunday. It is warm because the sun is shining. The sky is clear and blue. Бул жерде биринчи сүйлөмдө sky деген сөздү колдондук. Your home task exercise 3C. Find all the names of household chores in the text. Текстеги бардык үй жумуштарынын аттарын табабыз жана дептерлерибизге көчүрүп жазабыз. Our lesson is over. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye. Goodbye.